No, I bought this V-Cut in the grocery. They just increased their prices from 110 to 120. Not only that, the iconic Calbee orange packaging is also turning black and white on May 25. It's not a design change, it's an oil crisis. And it's also a bad omen for your Philippine stocks. Now, red and orange are hunger colors. This is why the V-Cut is orange, why JFC and McDonald's are red. These colors stimulate appetite, trigger urgency, and drive impulse purchases. Now, for Calbee to sacrifice this primary psychological tool tells you how serious the oil crisis has become. Now, when we think oil crisis, we think gas for our cars, LNG for our stoves. But when crude oil is refined, one of the fractions is called naphtha. It is the source of printing inks and plastic film on your packaging chips. Now, color is chemical. It's a result of complex petrochemical processing. No? Black is the cheapest and most available. Now, colors everywhere, right? Paint for your house, coatings for your electronics. It's why premium ultra red paint on a Tesla can cost you an additional 150,000 more. Now, 40% of every barrel of crude oil never gets burned for fuel. It becomes the plastic packaging, synthetic fabrics, fertilizers, detergents, shampoo, and even lipstick you use. Polyester in your shirt? Oil. Foam in your bed? Oil. PVC pipes in your home? Oil. This has exposed a policy blind spot for governments. For example, Evida Law promotes EV adoption. We talk about reducing oil dependency by buying EVs or installing solar. But these policies only address energy oil. But what about materials oil, right? Solar panels need petrochemical resins. Even EV battery casings and wiring rely on petrochemicals. Going full renewable doesn't address the massive petrochemical demand that isn't going away. So this is why OPEC nations are vertically integrating into chemicals. They already saw this coming. Now in the Philippines, we import crude oil and we import finished resins. So it's a double exposure. For PSE investors, JFC's earnings miss may just be the first symptom. For others, the squeeze is invisible at first. Companies absorb rising input costs for a quarter of two before it hits their earnings reports. Now, for consumer staples, URC, Monde, Nissin, CNPF, watch their packaging and logistics costs. Construction and property, Ali, SMPH, MEG, rising costs for PVC, insulation, and paint mean project margins are under pressure. Now, will V-Cut be next? Black and white piatos? I don't know. Look at the world around you. Sometimes the important economic signals don't come from the stock market. Sometimes they come from a bag of chips. So make sure to subscribe so you don't get left behind.